I wrote Driving Test Secrets with two goals in mind. I wanted to help you pass your driver's test and give you some driving skills that could significantly reduce your chances of being involved in a crash. Because as a new driver, you are at the highest risk of being involved in a crash. So we wanted to give you some defensive driving tips. So the first part of the book is, there's a little blurb about me. You can learn more about me if you want to. As well, check out the autobiography over at the Smart Drive Test website. First three chapters are the most pertinent to your driving test. Too many points and automatic fails. These are the two ways that you can fail a driver's test. First is outright committing a dangerous action that will cause you to fail a driver's test. For example, not stopping for an emergency vehicle, entering an intersection you can't clear. Those are automatic fails. That's the first chapter. Second chapter is too many points. You're going to accumulate demerit points for every mistake you make on your driver's test. Major errors are going to accumulate 10 to 20 points. For example, turning too wide and deviating into the other lane will accumulate 10 to 15 points. Minor errors, deviating in your lane, going in a straight line, for example, is going to get you 5 points. So different ways that you're going to accumulate points on your driver's test. Most tests are 35 points. You get more than 35 points, you're not going to pass your driver's test. That's the other way. And then unexpected events is another thing that you're going to have to deal with on your driver's test. For some drivers, it's going to go swimmingly. Everything's going to go perfect. But for the purposes of you passing your driver's test, you need to demonstrate to the examiner that you have due care and control of your vehicle in changing traffic conditions. So this means that you need to deal with yellow lights. You may need to deal with crashes if they happen along the route where you're taking your driver's test. You may need to deal with school zones. Speeding in a school zone is another automatic fail on a driver's test. Dealing with emergency vehicles, as I already said, for automatic fails for the purpose of your driver's test. So we talk about automatic fails. Then we begin to move into fear and anxiety around driving to help you with that. We give you a list of the most common traffic signs and the traffic patterns that you can expect from those traffic signs and what they tell you. So we go through that and give you information about those traffic signs and a higher degree of defensive driving. Then we talk about social driving. What are the problems you face when you're driving? Because when you go out and learn how to drive and prepare for your driver's test, you're going to notice that everybody else is doing crazy things. They're following too close. They're speeding. They're staying in the left lane. They're not coming to a complete stop for stop sign intersections. This is all part and parcel of social driving. Must know car parts. We give you parts of the vehicle that you must absolutely know. The parking brake, the automatic transmission, the ignition, how all these things work. And then we talk about your people, the people that are involved in your journey to get your license. Driving examiners, mentors, your folks, the people that are going to help you practice driving, and then the driving examiner at the DMV who's going to determine whether you pass or fail your driver's test. At the end, older learners, if you're getting your license, so for example, you're over 20 years old and going to get a driver's license, there's some information in there as well. And then the most important chapter, the day of your driver's test, test day prep, pre-trip inspection, what you need to do, what you need to bring to the DMV to be successful. And then finally, in the last part of the book, we provide a glossary giving you definitions of different terms. What is a pedal to the metal, playground, speed zones, power over driving instructors. We tell you what parallel parking is, painted islands. We give you a lot of definitions that you're going to deal with in your learning to drive career, and people are going to say things you can refer to the glossary quite quickly. That's Driving Test Secrets. Download your copy, pass your driver's test first time, and significantly reduce your chances of being involved in a crash. And as well, if you found the book helpful, please leave us a review. That would be tremendously appreciated and help us out here at Smart Drive Test. Thanks very much, and remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.